Hi everybody, it's Julie and welcome to Oval. So the O in November from my second list is Oval, and I have to make an embellishment, and I am going to make the cover card or sometimes I call it the cover patch for my journal. That is an embellishment because it's something that you can make ahead. You can have it sitting aside, and when your cover gets ready, boom, you put it on. And that's what we're going to do today. So I have this frame, and I had gotten this with a bunch of other things from Joann's, I believe. I'm pretty sure it was from Joann's. And so I'm going to be using that. And I am going to use the fuchsia from the Butterfly Garden postcard. So this is a postcard page from the Butterfly Garden to put inside of it. Okay? Let's see. I'm going to go ahead and, well, first thing, I'm going to cut this. I think I want to keep, you know what? I'm not going to keep the panel. But I want to put this, well, I guess I can cut. think. So I'm going to go ahead and see if we can get this off. So it is a sticker. It is a very strong sticker. It came with several frames. I used the frame in last month's, I think it was a square frame in last month's journal cover. Okay, this time I'm going to take the plastic off of it. Okay, and go ahead and go around. And cut this out. Okay, so this is my panel base and my Dear Julie Julie digital. Okay, so I need to add 3 more things to this as far as the requirements go for this challenge. So I had one list of November that I had to make a page ensemble and an embellishment. And then I had a second list that I just have to make an embellishment. So these videos are going to be shorter. Okay, so just a heads up. So panel card. We also have a list going in the crafty community for you to put your embellishment ideas in. Sherry had put that in, and it is in the featured part to help for these challenges when I'm putting that you can make whatever you want. But you have to make, they all have to be different. So again, there's my oval. I chose the frame, and there's my Dear Julie Julie digital. So I am going to build a panel. Okay, my journal is coming along over here. So it is my usual 9x6 journal cover is what's going to be on it. It's 8.5 by 5.5 or so right there. So one of the things I thought I would use was I have this cheesecloth, and so I thought it might be kind of cool to put that behind. Okay, and then I have, if you saw the Grabie video, I had gotten this, and I do want to ink it, okay, because I think it's a little bit too pink. I almost grabbed the black ink pad. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead, and I pretty much only have to ink towards the outside. I wouldn't dye this because I believe it is either starch or it has glue. So in the Grabie box that I opened on camera on Wednesday, there was textured papers. or textured pieces, and this was one of them. I think it is amazing. But for this, it's too pink, and I had it with my stuff for the baby's room, and it was too pink for that also, because I thought, oh my gosh, it kind of looks jungly. It could go with our theme, which is the baby elephant and the elephant family. So, yeah. So there we go. Okay, so that can be the back of the panel, and then we're going to build on that. So we're going to build on this, and then this is going to go on to here is what's going to happen. Now I have also from that Grabie box, there was a bunch of these die cuts. I think that this would be awesome on here. So I'm going to go ahead and attach that. I love that the art glitter glue has such a fine point that I can go ahead and I can add glue on this die cut. And most of the glue is going to go on the die cut. It's my shakiness that is causing it not to all stay, but okay. So, yeah, I'm going to put that like that. I love it. And then just because I don't want, I mean, it's going to be on the cover of a book, so I don't want things to jump around too much. So eventually all of these will get glued down as well. They'll just have a better chance of staying on there, right? Okay, so that gives me a good start. Okay. Now, I'm going to also want this to stick. It'll probably do more sticking when I attach it to the cover, okay? Because I will put fabric tack down on the cover. Okay, so there, that's staying on. And it does dry clear, so, oh, I love that. Okay, now, the next thing is I want to add some of the things like I've been adding in the journal to bring them to the front. Okay, so like, okay, so like this scrapbook paper and possibly that. Okay. So collage, you know, I love collage, so I'm going to add collage. I think this might be kind of cool. I'm going to go ahead and this was also from the Grabie box. Okay, so this will give me a lacy piece down here. Could turn it around also. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and put glue on the inside of that. There we go. Okay, and then the same here. So this is from my dictionary, and I've been using the dictionary all through the journal. So I just think it's a great thing to go ahead and, you know, add in some of the items that you've used in the journal. And then I'm going to add the lace up here. So we've got the lace on this side and the lace on this side. Okay. We want to stay, yeah. Okay. Now, this is my panel, okay? This is the panel. I did an oval. So, and then I have this that is also going to go on the journal, and I can put my ribbon here in between for my closure. Okay, so so this is my cover panel. I have the oval frame, my Dear Julie Digital, a die cut, one of the oval, a dictionary page, and a scrapbook paper also. And then I think I want to go ahead and I'm going to add the dots. Should we do the big or the, we'll do this size, the medium. So the gold dots were also from that Grabie box. So yeah, I will put the link to yesterday's video in this description box down below. It's a lot of fun, you guys. Grabie scrap box, and there's a coupon code, and I gave you the information for their Black Friday. Their Black Friday information as well. Okay, so we added the little dots around it. Okay, I love it. Now the other thing that I did do on the inside, you could do this with fingernail polish, but these gold glitter dots also came with the, and what I did was I just put it on and then used my finger to move it around. And since I did that on the inside, I'm going to do it on the outside. Now, once I put this on, whoa. Once I put this on the actual cover, I will also glue these sides down. Okay, let's see if we can. Oh, the first stab was the best. Okay, so there we've got the little bit of glitter going, and I don't know if I'll like this or not, but I'm going to see about putting a bow down here. A lot of times I make a bow and then I I don't like it. I might like that. So we'll think about it. I think, let's see. And I haven't decided for sure on my fabric for the cover, but I think I know what I'm going to do. I may cut this one off here and attach it somewhere else. And I'm going to take this off. Yeah, I like that better. Okay, so yeah, so a cover panel, and it is ready to go on the cover of my journal. So this is one of the fabrics that I was looking at. So, but this is a smaller piece of it. It's not big enough. But that's probably something like what I'm going to be doing. Okay, so something like that. And then I will have the closure, which will probably be ribbon this time. I'm going to leave this so that I can put it underneath. So today's project was a cover panel card. And you could see you could make several of these, have them ready, and then be able to just add them to your journal. So, of course, I needed to use an oval. That was my choice. But you could even take something like this, have this be the main part, and then you add your things to it, either on front or on the back. You know, and build your own cards. Okay, we don't want that to. Okay, so oval was our O for November from the list number 2 in the November 1-2 Junk Journal Challenge. The link to the challenge is in the description box down below. There's still plenty of time. This is a pretty simple challenge, and we have a couple that have already finished. So congratulations to those, and you guys, thank you so much for being here. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye. Bye-bye.